Ewenyigba TV.
Our land, our culture.
Ewenyigba TV.
Our land, our culture.
Okay, so today we are on the street asking relevant questions that should help the youth and our nation. So my first question is this. If you should meet your spouse, your parents, one of your parents, and your child sinking in water, who will you say first?
That's a really hard question to answer. So today I will save my parents.
You will save your parents. Why will you save your parents?
Because my child will regret my heart, but when the child is gone, we can replace with another child.
So you can replace your child, but you cannot replace your what? Your mother. Okay. So what about you?
The same thing I said. For me, I'll save my child and my parents, because I think maybe for my parents they experience life, but for my child it's not growing up, so he or she also needs to experience life. So for me, I'll save my child.
So you will save your child. You will save your parents. That is beautiful. My second question. Why do you think you are youth, you are young, but why do you think that today's marriage have a high divorce rate than marriages before? Please, do you understand?
Yes. Maybe people don't get time to communicate, or there are lots of misunderstanding due to the modernization that has come. Now ladies don't want to, sit at home, be doing stuff. They want to be with the men. So I think that kind of competition is bringing a lot of issues.
Thank you.
I think both the ladies and the gentlemen who are exposed to the outside world. Nowadays, we call ourselves Gen Z children. We will not sit in the house and then expect they don't even submit to their husbands. So I don't think it will last. Since there is not respect between the two, the girl thinks she has gone to school and then she has higher education, that man cannot boss her around. The guy too thinks the same. So I think this generation, our mindset that we have to change. If we change our mindset, it will last longer in the olden days.
So you think education is a problem?
No, it's not a problem. But we ladies, we have some humor and some sense that if you're educated than the man, the guy cannot boss us around.
Thank you.
Okay, so for me, I think because of inadequate communication, because now we are in the technological world, so everyone is on his or her phone. Whereby we are, they don't get time to communicate and other stuff. So I think that's the reason why there's high rates of divorce.
Thank you so much. Please, your names.
Mary.
Manakus.
They love you.
Thank you so much for the answers. Ewenyigba TV.
Our land, our culture.
Ewenyigba TV.
Our land, our culture.
Ewenyigba TV.
Our land, our culture.
Thank you so much.